Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to fix when your messages are not being sent on TikTok. If you're not being able to send text message on TikTok, then there might be several reasons for that. Not being able to send text message on TikTok is that you won't be able to send and receive text message from any contact or to any contact if the contact does not follow you back on TikTok. You'll be able to see a message that says, messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. Another reason for that to happen might be because they've disabled the direct message function on their TikTok account. One of the other reasons are if you're having trouble sending and receiving text messages on TikTok, then the first thing to do is to go and make sure if you have the most updated version of TikTok. Go and tap open your Play Store for your Android and your App Store for your iOS and search for TikTok in the search box. If you don't have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device, you'll be able to see an update button in the search result. Tap on the update button and download the latest version of TikTok. Once you have the updated version of TikTok installed on your device, your problem might be solved. Next thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong internet, whether if it's a Wi-Fi or your cellular data connection. Once you have a working internet connection, you might be able to solve the issue as well. Another method to solve the error is to simply go and clear your cache for your TikTok application. Go to Settings on your phone and tap it on. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Apps. From the list of all the applications downloaded on your device, search for TikTok. Tap it on and you'll end up in the app info page. Tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache button at the bottom right. From the same page, you can tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. And from the pop-up, select OK. Now, go back to your TikTok application and re-sign into your account and see if that fixes your issue.